With emotions rising and political agendas colliding in the run-up to Uganda's elections, religious leaders are emphasizing the need for national prayers. They believe that only divine guidance can help the country navigate the heated political atmosphere peacefully.
And this is a call to a national prayer during this especially election season. You know, our nation actually here in Uganda is entering a sensitive electoral period. During such time, emotions run high, agendas collides, and future can be shaped or derailed. It is such time as a crossroad that voices of discernment, guardians of spiritual gates, and intercessors must rise. And that is why we are having a powerful spiritual fire all-night prayer.
Wiseman, a global empowerment strategist serving internationally, made the remarks while announcing the 3-day breakthrough conference to be held in Kampala at Uganda Road. The event will feature special sessions dedicated to national peace and spiritual renewal.
You know, East Africa is standing at the edge of historical shift. You know, our region is rich in intelligence, talents, spiritual depth, and entrepreneurial potential. Yet countless people continue to live beneath their invisible barrier. Financial obstacles, generational limitation, emotional blockages, spiritual restriction, and systems ceilings that suffocate their dreams.
He also delivered a stronger message to the youth who make up the largest portion of voters, urging them not to be swayed by the short-term promises.
To the youth especially, to where all our youth is concerned, let them not to be carried away by short-term thinking. Because remember, when a country has that, what we believe in God, especially to our youth, is to whatever we are making, let's look beyond our tribes, let's look beyond our party, and let's especially focus on the future of our nation.
The 3-day breakthrough conference is expected to draw participants from across Kampala, with the religious leaders hopeful that the event will help guide Uganda towards a peaceful and united election period.
We're talking about also where there have been development with medicine and everything. Let's not lose the gains that have been gained, especially as you know, in our country before was plagued too much, but where age is concerned, what we have already gained, let's keep it, let's be safe, and it is very, very important. And this comes back again to only one thing here is every one of us, we can play our part to be able to make sure that our country is progressing.